What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I dropped it on my pocket getting into the car, and when I got back, it was like that.
Like this?
Yes, sir.
You put the case on it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Two of them fall apart.
It's bent too, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think it got hit.
Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
Looking bad. It's still working. Unbelievable. Look at the board. Surgery time. This one's stuck in there. Alright, got it. Your phone is ready, sir.
Thank you so
Look
much.
at this. Let me show the camera. No more cracked screen and no more bent.
Thank you so much. I didn't think it was gonna be able to be fixed.
No? How it looks?
It looked beautiful. It looked brand new. Like when I got it.